Hiya, welcome to Easy English. Today, we're going to be looking at the prepositions by and with. But first, here's a little quiz for you. I want you to tell me which of those two prepositions go into the following sentences. I want to learn English watching Easy English. And the second one is, I can watch Easy English's videos subtitles. Think you got it? Well, the answer to the first one is, I want to learn English by watching Easy English. And the second one is, I can watch Easy English's videos with subtitles. Do these prepositions confuse you? Well, fear not. I'm going to explain how you can use both of them. And also in the future, Easy English is going to start creating more grammar and vocabulary lessons. So first and foremost, let's give you a real basic example of the differences of the prepositions by and with. I saw Mitch with a dog. Using with in this sentence gives emphasis that the dog and Mitch are together or that Mitch owns the dog. I saw Mitch buy a dog. And using by in this sentence gives emphasis to a location, that I was next to a dog, or if anything else, just sort of signifies that the dog and me are strangers. But let's go a little bit deeper into both these prepositions, and let's start with the preposition with. Now, I believe the uses of the preposition with can be grouped into 5 categories: together, having, post-verb, feeling, and agreement. Let's start with together. I was in the restaurant with our dog. She's been with us since she was 5 months old. I like to drink beer with my meal. Cheers! Now here's some examples of having. We have a dog with lovely eyes. I'm looking for a house with a better view. I want a job with a better salary. I make curry with coconut milk because I love sweet things. Do you want your burger with cheese? Here's an example of post-verb. I travelled with my bus, boat, plane, train ticket. Here's an example of feeling. I'm telling you this with great sadness. I'm writing to you with pure anger. The final category is a way to use with to show that you agree with someone or that you understand them. For example, you could say, you know that discussion you were just having? Well, I'm with you on it. Or if someone's hoping that you've understood them with something, then you can simply respond back, I'm with ya. Do you enjoy the videos that myself and Easy make for Easy English? Do you want to learn English with us? And do you want to help support us to continue making videos like this? Then become an official Easy English member with the link up here. For just £5 a month, you can help support us to continue making episodes, and in return, we'll give you learning extras for all of our episodes, including a transcript, a vocabulary list, MP3 and video downloads of the episode, and a worksheet testing your skills and knowledge of the English language. The worksheet consists of multiple choice questions based around the more extensive vocabulary used and British slang used in the episode. And at the end, there's a fun odd ones out game. So if you are interested in learning with Easy English, become a member now and help support myself and Easy to continue making episodes. Now let's move on with how to use the preposition by, where I believe there are 6 categories they can be defined into. We've got proximity, time, person, communication and transport, preverb and alone. Now let's start with proximity. I want a house by the sea. I'm waiting by the shops. The next group for the preposition by is all connected and related to time. For example, you could say, I need to get home by 9 p.m. or I have to hand in my homework by Tuesday. The next category is person. I'd like my guitar to be fixed by Mitch. The guitar was fixed by some other guy. Nola was scared by the thunder and lightning. And here's an example of the next topic, communication and transport. I'll contact him by email. Dear other guy, you broke my guitar. By text. Hey, other guy, you broke my guitar. By phone. Yes, hello? I demand to speak to the other guy that broke my guitar. To travel by bus, boat, plane, train. The next category is called pre-verb, and here are some examples. I learnt about getting fit by watching YouTube. I'm losing weight by eating less. I'm improving my core by exercising. The last category for the preposition by I like to call alone. For example, I'm by myself, you're by yourself, we're by ourselves, they're by themselves, he's by himself, or one is by oneself. So hopefully this has been a good guide for you to figure out when to use the prepositions by and with. Now before we finish, I have 3 test questions I want you to answer in the comments below. Are you ready? Here's sentence 1. I can't make these episodes without you. I just can't do it myself. Here's sentence number 2. And a little life hack, by the way. Did you know that you can make iced coffee frozen coffee ice cubes? And here's sentence 3. Do you want milk your tea? Let us know your answers in the comments below, and also what you thought of this episode. Do you want to see more grammar and vocabulary episodes like this in the future for beginner and intermediate learners? Let us know, and we'll see you next week. Ta-ra!